Hello passionate gardener, welcome back to your channel again. So today I'll be sharing some tips like how you can easily grow mint or peppermint in your home. You can see how much rooting these stems happen, and that's really very easy. What you need to do, like if you bought some mint stems from supermarket, or if you have something in your garden, just cut them up from right after the leaves. Like if you see, this is the leaf coming up, the node, you just cut from here. And same for few. I'm just doing it to show you like how you need to cut it up. So cut this way and take these stems. Where is the other one? Just need to find out. Yeah, that's the two. So I just bring the two. You can cut few more if you have a plants, or normally when you bought from supermarket, we got a few stems like this, and we use the leaves and we normally throw the stems. But with these stems you can grow your new mint plant, and you can have a forever the mint supply, and you don't need to buy again from the market. So what you need to do, like what I did, this is the results in 2 weeks time. In 15 days you can see like how much root growth happened. They grow very rapidly. You just need to these stems and leave it there. That's it. You don't need to do anything. Like this water, little bit of water, and leave them like this. You possibly can remove few leaves if you want, like and use your leaves, and only the stems you can put here, and leave like this, and you put few more or whatever you left with. Make sure you have this water here. Like every 4 or 5 days you keep checking the water is dried or not. If there is water, that's okay. If there is no water, put some extra water and leave in your window, or outside, or in a warm place is preferable. Leave it and check in 2 weeks time. You will see growth like this. You see how much growth I have this. So now I need to separate them out because I have lot of roots. I don't need to worry about like they're going to survive 100%. I just need to separate them out, and I'll do quickly. I just separated them out. You can see how much root from one individual stems. The roots coming from everywhere. How much they dip into the water, its roots come up from here. If you see a few more, every stems have lot of roots, and the roots is huge and very strong. Because it was in a small space, the root go one after another. Now I'm going to put them in a pot. So for growing mint, you need some well drainage soil. I bring a soil in a pot. I'm going to put few here. Just dig a hole and put one stem like this, and I'll be putting 3 stems in this pot and few more in the other pot. And that way you can grow your mint in your home, and this supply is never going to end, because they tolerate the winter, and they will be like every year they will come back. During the winter time, their growth will be dormant. It will not going to grow much, but they will survive. You don't need to throw them out. Keep them outdoor in the outside. I'm in UK, so the temperatures go below frozen temperature. They still survive. These are my 2 years plant, and you see like how healthy they are, and they keep growing. There are some like, because I miss to water them regularly, that's why their top side is little bit of dry, and like you can see this is not well enough. But I have to change the soil, because I kept the soil for 2 years in the same pot. I have to repot this, and then they will grow again healthy. I'm going to do that, but this is something that I'd like to share with you, that how easily you can grow mint in your home, and with this it will benefit you to you don't need to buy the mints ever from the supermarket. Hope you like the video. If you do, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and keep supporting with give a thumbs up, like, and put your comments in the comment box if you have any questions, or if you want me to do any specific videos on the gardening side. I do love gardening. I do gardening videos. I have lot of plants, mostly in container, some in the ground as well. These are my tomato plants, and so until the next video, I would say bye bye to you. Happy gardening, gardener. Bye bye.